Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to question number 62. The next Python interview question is 63. What is this question is, what is the use of continue keyword in Python looping statements or loops? Just now we have seen how you can able to use a break keyword, right? Continuation for this. What is mean by continue? Here, the continue statement terminates. It is going to terminate the current iteration of the statement, and it will skips the rest of the code in the current loop. When we have 3 or 4 lines are there, once if the condition satisfied, remaining lines it won't execute. But what will happen? And item and the control flows to the next iteration of the loop automatically. So what is the meaning of this? I will draw the diagram, then you can understand. See, assume I have some 4 lines of code is there. I executed first line. After that, I verified some if condition. If the condition is satisfied, I am going to use the word called continue. Because of this, what will happen? In previous example, because of this break keyword, the control came here. When it is going to happen? If I'm using break keyword, but now I'm not using break, I'm using continue. So that what will happen? It won't execute remaining instructions. From here, again, it will start the loop from the next iteration, like that we have. Anyway, in the program, if you see, you will get more clarity. That's why I didn't disturb the previous program. I am taking the continuation as it is. Here you can see, whenever the number 420 is coming, automatically it is stopping, right? But now I don't want to break. I want to use one special keyword called continue. So what will happen? Whenever the condition is satisfied, rest of the code in the sense what? Printing the statement, right? Will it print that number? No. Immediately what will happen? It is going to start from the next number, which is nothing but 333. Let us run this code and check, sir. Have you observed here? 311 is there, 322 is there, 666 is there, sir. 333. So where is that 420? It is not coming because the condition is satisfied, except that remaining all the iterations we are going to get. This is nothing but the main difference between break and continue. So break means what? It will permanently stops the loop. Continue means what? It is going to stop for a time period and it will continue. Best example, if you want to imagine, so you can take some real-time example. If you take a vehicle, car, okay, so there are two options are there. One is brake will be there, at the same time clutch will be there. So what is the purpose of brake? Once if you take a brake, leg brake, if you put a leg brake, then what will happen? The vehicle is going to stop. Once if you remove the leg from the leg brake, what will happen? The vehicle is going to start moving. Have you observed? It is something like brake. Sorry, it is something like continue. Means what? Once if you press, it will stop. If you release, automatically it is going to move. Whereas coming to the hand brake. So if you take hand brake, what will happen? Even though you are rising by using accelerator, the vehicle won't move, right? So that is nothing but permanent stopping. Just for your imagination purpose, for your understanding, there are two types of brakes will be there in the vehicle. One is nothing but which you can able to press by using the leg. Another one is by using hand. The hand brake is example for normal brake keyword, and the leg brake is example for continue keyword. Just you can correlate and remember these basic definitions, right? Thank you, friends.